I lived in California for a while, and to get my California driver's license, this is true. I was reading in the California Driver's Handbook, it says, to receive your California driver's license, you will be required to give a thumbprint or another fingerprint if you have no thumbs. Is this a common enough occurrence? Everyone needs to know this contingency plan? Shouldn't that be just for one guy at the DMV to know about? I'm gonna need a thumbprint. I don't have any thumbs. Charlie! 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 Only Charlie needs to know what's gonna happen. Not every single person in the entire state of California. Why is that in that book?